Gecko Manager is a script that we've written to assist with the zypper package management system for those new to openSUSE. There are currently 14 different menu options, focused on the primary functions of the package manager. You can list any required updates and install them on your system all from the script. Refresh the openSUSE repositories, ensuring they're always up to date. You can also clean any package cache that's left around the system. Also added a function to remove any packages that get locked with ease. You can install a list of applications that are recommended from the openSUSE team. Easily get information about a specific package. Here as an example we'll use Steam. You can look to see if there are any security patches available, ensuring your system stays secure. Also, you're able to install software using this script. Again, I'll use Steam as my example. We can also use this script to remove packages. We'll now remove Steam. You can list all of your configured repositories and search for a package within the zypper repositories. We've also added the option to check for running processes that use deleted files, making sure you can secure your system efficiently. Lastly, you can perform a full distribution upgrade with ease. Thanks for supporting us.